Welcome to PlatterPrism. Today let's cook very simple chicken curry. Before that, please subscribe and hit on the bell icon. Heat oil in a kadhai. Once the oil is heated, add 2 thinly sliced onions and mix well. Cook them till they get nice golden brown color. To the onions, add few curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and saute them for a minute. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and cook till the raw smell is gone. Add half kg chicken to the pan and 1 teaspoon salt. Salt prevents the loss of water from the muscle tissues in the meat. If you don't add salt, the chicken is going to turn rubbery. Cook the chicken on high heat for 5 minutes because it helps in browning the meat and develops the flavors. After 5 minutes, reduce the flame to medium and add 2 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and mix them well. From now, cook on the medium heat to get the tender and moist chicken pieces. Saute the chicken well for at least 5 minutes. Now we will close the lid and cook the chicken until it is done. Open the lid and stir the chicken in between and make sure it is not sticking to the bottom of the pan. This chicken is being cooked for almost 15 minutes now and it is breaking easily. I am adding 1 cup water here. You can increase or decrease the quantity of water here based on the consistency you require. Close the lid and cook till the oil separates on the surface. The chicken looks delicious. Now add 2 tablespoons curd. The advantage of using curd is that you get the sourness and creaminess at the same time. Add 1 teaspoon chicken masala, 2 slit green chillies and mix them all well. Adding chicken masala gives a delicious flavor to the curry. Now we will close the lid and cook for 2 minutes. That's it. Now our simple and delicious chicken curry is ready. Serve hot. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon for more interesting recipes.